We might then wonder whether the mind itself is real. So the root text says, examine the nature of unborn awareness. Mind itself is empty of the three stages of arising, remaining, and ceasing. It has no color, no shape, and so on. It does not abide outside or within the body. It has no fixed character at all and cannot therefore be apprehended in any way. Rest in an experience beyond thought. As you do so, if any thought of an antidote such as considering that body and mind are empty should arise, then as the root text says, let even the antidote be freed in its own place. This means that we look into the essence of the antidote itself, and when we realize that it has no true nature, we rest with that experience. As for how to rest, the root text says, rest in the alaya, the essence of the path.